Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video guys, I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing today, and this is the second purchase that I went in stores. The first one is that fashion jewelry. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave the description below or up here. So as you know, that on during Christmas time, even January guys, they will it depends if they still have more available on in store, because last time I was there last year and asked for a shopping bag, for a Christmas shopping bag. I think that was January. They still have in stock. So yeah, this is I have here. So let's start with this magazine again, and I asked another one of the magazines, so she gave it to me. Thank you, Louis. And here is two items that I purchased in here guys, so I'm gonna sit aside and put this one. So here is the one. So I got this one because I picked this one on December. I actually surprised guys that I found this one in store. I've been wanting this like since this one been famous, but you know I keep stopping and not getting. Every time I go to store and ask for this long time ago, they don't have in stock because like I said, it was famous before. And I'm glad that she put me this Christmas card over here for Christmas gift. So yeah, and when I asked when I came in there, when I went there and asked only, I just want to make sure. Actually, I always ask something if there's one available, and if it's not, it's okay. So when I asked this, and she said, yeah, there is one. I said, wow, surprised, because this item, I think this is discontinued, but I guess it's not. It's just short. I'm not sure if they discontinued this, but I found this one in store, and my SA told me sometimes they send this item in store, and I think she mentioned when I check online, she said there's only 8 items for this one in England. So I'm lucky there is one in Leeds, the one close to my area. So you guys ready? And this is not the Christmas Vivian collection because I don't want to buy a mini pochette. Actually guys, mini pochette, the 3 colors is in store and nobody buying that one. And I think there's some people buy, but like I said, every time I go there, the 3 colors is in there, but the price is ridiculous, and I had so many mini pochette anyway. So I was looking for a card holder or the key clay, but they have nothing in store. So when I asked this one, and there's available in store, to be honest with you. So this is charan the small agenda cover and monogram print. And like I said, I surprised when she told me that there's one in stock in stores. So this is made in France. I was lucky that was made in France. Look at that. I was going to put my initial in it, but I was thinking maybe not. So I was debating for that. So yeah, one thing I like this one because you can use this one as a wallet as well. I see people like using this one as a wallet, and also like it's not also for agenda. You can like I said, in wallet as well. And I love to have 3 cards like holder, and you have a big space in here. I was thinking maybe you can use this one as a passport holder for this, and I'm not sure if you can, as maybe if you remove this part, maybe I don't know if you can remove, at least you can remove that. But anyway, let's move on to the second one. Of course, I can't go wrong without the refill for this, so I managed to ending up get a refill. This is a 2023. I'm not sure, is this too small though? So this is Agenda PM 2023. There, this is the weekly, guys. You know, I don't really much agenda at all. I was thinking just get this one, and if I finish this one next year, I was thinking getting the notebook instead. I've seen that one in Hermes. Let's show you guys. So that's what it is. I'm gonna put this one before I mess this up. So I guess it's easy. I just push these two together and it will open. Oh, let me put this one, guys. Give me one sec. Uh-oh, there's one thing in here that it does not. Oh, it comes with a sticker, which is nice. So bear with me, guys. I'm not sure if you do one by one or small amount for this, but maybe I will do that. If you put one time the whole thing in there, it's not gonna be fit. Okay. There you go. This is the last one. Yep. Then I will close this thing. And it comes with a sticker, guys, which is cute. Look at this. For time being, I will leave the sticker over here. I may put this one on the side because it's more. Yes, I put this one, guys, and there she is. There's really cute. Oh my god. And like I said, I'm gonna use up this, and probably I'm gonna use all my putting all my email address from this and not changing or change the book. So yeah, it's really cute. Every month has a different picture. So let's see. July. This is really good. It doesn't have any defect at all, because sometimes every time I purchase in store or purchase online, I have defect something, and hardware, it doesn't have black or scratch at all, which is good. And I like that it comes with your pen over here, and I do have pen from Cartier. Look at how cute it is. That's why I'm getting this, because of this. And I will put my pen in this one. Yeah, this is quite too big, but it fit, guys. I just push hard, like it fit my pen over here. I don't have to worry about. I can bring this all the time, and hopefully that doesn't stain my agenda, because sometimes the ink of the pen, it will leak. So look how nice it is. So cute. What do you think, guys? Should I put my initial in here? I was thinking this side over here, I'll put my initial, or leave it alone, or up here. I do have add initial on my bag, my Alma BB, and my Speedy 25, and also my Emily wallet. So yeah, then that's it, guys. That's it for my unboxing today. I hope you like this kind of unboxing. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.